According to the seller of this house has no defects. Let's check it out, shall we? The garage door has no self-closer. Those springs look a little bit damaged. That's not right. It sure makes it difficult to inspect a basement when there's storage everywhere. This electrical panel is full. And the world famous double tapping. What the heck? Maybe a missing bidet? Maybe connect the light to the junction box? I love the spiderweb air freshener. All right, have a look at this one, everybody. So something's plugged in here, an extension cord. You follow it up. Oh, it's a light mounted to the wall. No junction box. That's safe. All right, so if you're selling a house, you would figure that if you knew there was a plumbing leak, you would fix it, right? Well, the water's running. Go down here, look at water's just gushing out of the bottom there. It looks like it's been leaking for a while. All right, well, all I have to say is get your leaks fixed before you sell your house, everybody. Okay, where's the shower faucet? Oh, there it is. I think it's time for a cleaning. All right, am I seeing a ghost of a kitty cat? We got a little fogging on this window. This plug is not GFCI protected. We got a stove located close to drywall. That can be a fire hazard. This carbon monoxide detector looks really old. Probably time for a replacement. This cold room door is cold. Probably because it should be an insulated door. We got another fogged window. Probably time for an upgrade. And another fogged window. A little bit of dark staining around that vent. Mold, perhaps? Missing a downspout extension. This GFCI is not tripping. Same with this one. And let's end things off with some good old warped siding.